Hi guys, this is Miss Montes, and I'm here to help you guys submit your Unit 8 project. Your Unit 8 project requires you submit something that's either a PDF or a JPEG. So if you don't know how to do that, this video is meant to help you. Or if you just need to see the steps, this video is also meant to help you. So the very first thing is to go to your assignment. And once you're in your assignment, you should know that there's two ways of submitting your work. The very first way and simplest way, in my opinion, is to go to File, Download, PDF. Because what this does is that it automatically downloads all the pages that are included in your PowerPoint in your work. So the cover page that I'm requiring, the description 1, and the description 2. So that automatically downloads when you just go to File, Download, PDF. If you can't find File, Download, PDF on your iPad, because I know it looks a little bit different than on my computer, you can take screenshots of your work, because screenshots are also JPEGs, and that will be allowed on Canvas. So the way you screenshot, you have different ways of doing it on your iPad. I believe there's a button that just screenshots the entire screen. But there's a screenshot, Command-Shift-4, that allows you to just capture a part of your screen. And you get to choose what part. So if you see my screen right now, I am choosing to capture only the cover page. So the instructions that I have on the side are not going to be included in that screenshot. Okay? The only thing about screenshots is that you have to do every single page again. So I'm going to repeat the process, Command-Shift-4, and take a screenshot. I messed that up. And take a screenshot of the area that I want. And this time I'll try not to mess it up. And then I'm going to repeat that process again for the second description. And take a picture of the area that I want. Alright. So then I just have to go back to my Unit 8 project and choose one of the either PDFs or JPEGs that I just took. So I'm going to start assignment. I'm going to go to choose file. I'm going to either choose copy of template, and like I said here, it shows me there's my cover page, my second page, and then my third page. Alright, so all of it downloads at the same time. Again, if you did the screenshot option, then I'm going to have to choose my cover page. I'm also going to select my second page, and then my these are the ones I messed up, and then my third page, right? So you have to do all three individually or one at a time, but it is very important that you do all three so you can get full credit for the assignment. So again, I personally believe that the PDF is more simple because it includes everything automatically. It's all in one place, but whatever preference you have. So then you're going to choose your assignment, you're going to open it, and when you see confetti, that means that I have received the submission. Oh, JK, you have to submit. And then when you see confetti, that means that I have received the submission. Awesome. So if you have any questions, just let me know, or stop by during lunch or after school so I can help you out. Bye. Good luck.